Hey everyone. So in this video we'll cover about multiple schemas. Like earlier we covered this reducers schema and all those things. So now we'll cover how to deal with multiple schemas. See, till now we created one schema and it's nothing but like one class and we created some variables and we're using those variables only. Now the scenario is like let's say you have multiple schemas, how you going to deal with it? Okay. Same thing basic you can see this in this way you can create the different class names and we can pass the type tick. Here it was foo and it was baz and one is overall state, one is private state. So in the first node, what you are doing is like you're passing overall start as an input and after that you are expecting private state, like you are expecting baz. So in this, obviously you are passing this overall state variables, class variables and you are expecting uh, baz output. In the second node, it is a reverse, like you're passing this private state variable and after that you're expecting this overall state, right? So this is what's happening here. And let me run this. Okay. So here you can see we can put so we created this flow also from start to node 1 and node 1 to node 2 to end. This is the one you created. So initially you are passing foo. Foo means what? Initially, you are passing okay, let me try this. So, what it will happen node 1. So, node 1, what is the method? Node 1, it will be called node 1. And after that, what will happen? So, state of foo. So, initially we passed as 1, right? So, foo is 1. So, state of foo is like 1 plus 1, it's become 2. So, it is like baz 2, right? So, that one, next what happened? Next, we are passing this baz 1 to another node 2, like that input whatever we're getting that we're passing as a sorry that output what we're getting that we're passing as an input to node 2, and in this case like baz 2 that we're passing state of baz is like 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, then it was returning like foo 3. So that's why we got the outcome as like foo 3. Okay, so now baz is only including private state. Is private state I didn't put these things are like common. Like let's say you have one private state, overall state. How you going to deal with this thing? And that is one thing. Then after that, you can see this. You have one class. It has overall state, and it has three things: question, answer, nodes. There is a you created two methods. One method is thinking node. You are passing this overall state. Like you pass this question, by it you will get this answer and notes. And after that, you can pass this overall state. You can pass this answer. You will get. So Hmm, sorry. What you doing? So you're creating this flow like starting to thinking node and after that answer node and after that end. Okay. So thinking node means this method will execute whatever you're passing. So answer by and nodes this is the outcome. And after that whatever passing this overall state this answer by this one will be the outcome. So okay, just I'm passing this question. Let's check this. I'm passing question as high, then we'll get the answer and at the same time this one notes also. We'll see this. So first it will go to the thinking node. Thinking node is this. So I'm passing this question and after that it has to return answer and this answer by and after that notes his name is Lance. So this one uh, right. So this one then again it is passing to this answer node. Think node is done. After that answer node is happening. Answer node you can see it was like by Lance was there. Rest everything, whatever you're passing, that entire data is going to be displayed. That is the concept they mentioned. Like what they're trying to do. So this one is done, and after that we'll see this one, this example. So you have this class input state. This is you have only one variable that is question, and after that this has one variable answer. Output state. This overall state is this. So in this case, uh, okay, let's run this. What you are doing, like uh, you're passing, you're creating the graph like overall state, and input schema is input. Input is you're going to provide only this question, and after the output is like you are expecting this answer, right? So in this way, you mentioned answer node is this, thinking mode is this. Okay. So you you can see this in this example. I just passed only question. So this overall concept is like it only return the answer by lines, whatever you given, right? So that it's going to be displayed. Okay. Let's say in this case we'll do some experiments. What I'm trying to do is I'll pass this uh, answer is state of question. We'll just check this how it goes. See, now answer is whatever I'm given, that is getting right. That's the one I written. So it's a in this case I'm who are you. If I given like this, if I execute this, now the answer is also this. Right, I changed the logic completely. Like what it was happening is like it was starting go to the thinking node. Input is like whatever question you given that will be there. This answer and all those stuff. After that, there is a condition between thinking mode and answer mode. Understand? Like the state is holding that. After that, whatever your overall state you are passing, right? Like overall state is nothing but whatever this think like you're just passing question, but the overall state it was going as an input. So it has all these three question, answer, and notes. All these things was there, but it was going to return only output, only answer it going to return. So that's what happening here. Ultimately, if you print right, you'll get all these three. So the flow is happening like that. First, it was start and you'll go to the think node, and after that, you'll go into the answer node. And answer node is like whatever you given here as a parameter that is there, and the expecting outcome is coming here. This is the flow which was happening, right? And I hope you got some clarity. Is just a normal concept like whatever you're passing there and how it's going to get it and how we're going to deal with that. So that's it. And yeah, multiple schemas. This has multiple schemas. How you going to deal with multiple schemas that we covered, and we'll see the next things in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.